So hey everyone, my name is Michelle. Today what we are going to do is look at the basics. Let's say some basic keyboard shortcuts that every new VS Code slash cursor user should know. Even though I have been using let's say VS Code for more than let's say 2 or 3 years, it's just recently I learned these shortcuts and these are like super cool. So I'll just show you the some VS Code terminal shortcuts that everyone should know. Most time doesn't know the VS Code overall shortcuts. Let's say Command Shift B or Control Shift B, but there are some shortcuts specific to terminal which is really helpful. So just quickly show you my screen. So as I said, this is with regards to terminal. So I just open my terminal using the command tilde sign, and I'm just running some server over here. So let me just close that, both of them. I'm not using my mouse. You can see it's not moving anywhere. There are few shortcuts which I like, so I'll just show you one by one. Let's start with this. Control and tilde sign will open and close your terminal, and there is also Command J. Same thing for cursor. I think it's specifically for cursor, and I'll also show you how to do this thing. Let me just yeah. So I'll close my process. I've exited this out, and yep. So this is a folder which I have. So let's say this is just one terminal. What if I want to one more terminal? Okay, so command tilde will open and close. Now if you press Control Shift tilde, you will get a new terminal. So Control Shift tilde will give you a new terminal like this. And what about moving this, from this terminal to that terminal? Let me zoom a bit. Yeah, so what about, let's say if you want to go to the first terminal, you can always use this one. It's for you, it's control a page up and page down for Windows, but for Mac is basically Command and Shift and the opening and square parenthesis square bracket. So with that you can move this over here, move all the terminal sessions. That's one thing. Now for split view, there's command and slash. This will give you a split view. Now if you let's say if you want to move from this side to that side, the best way is basically press or command option and arrow keys. Left and right you can move here. As you can see, I have moved. There's also one more thing which is really useful. If you press command control and the left and right button, you can resize the split view. That's one thing, and same as this command and up and down arrow can also resize the terminal like this, horizontally and vertically. And command J or control tilde right sign for opening and closing, hiding it. So yeah, so that's few things. This is a really useful terminal hacks which I wish I knew earlier. And you can exit out, exit, and yeah. So one more thing which I really like is the command shift period. Let me just open something. Command shift period will can give you all the functions over here, and there is also this is a really good the command shift period we can search for through all the major functions, and as well as if you space it, you can also get all the variables also defined. That's command shift period. There's one more thing which I really like is if you press command P and put the hashtag sign, and if you search for a function, let's say across the whole code project, you can access that too. So that's just these are the main let's say VS Code hacks which I found out. If you learn this, it will be really helpful for you too. Then that's it. That's mainly from my side. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. Hope you find this useful.